Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel 7 to an Android device. You need to start by accessing Play Store on both. Then install completely free app called Send Anywhere from this developer and open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Now open it on Google, choose allow or don't allow instant notifications pop-up, and then do exactly the same. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Then you need to choose receive over here next to send and history on your Android and send at the bottom left corner of your Google. Now click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories, and when you're ready, hit send next to selected. This way you will choose all of those files and then transfer them. It will take a long time to do it right now, so I will go with only this one photo, choose send, and click on got it. Now on an Android, tap on the best option for you, yes I agree or no thanks, and click on close this window. Finally, from here we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on an Android, then choosing while using the app or only this time to allow camera access, and pointing our camera at this code. Or we can input this key over here and then tap on receive button in order to connect. As you can see now, after a couple of seconds, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!